Okay, can I just say to begin with, I originally came on the MetaQuest 3 to make a whole other video. But I'm going to be honest, this had really amazed me so far. I mean, just everything in general that Meta has done. Like, right here, I'm not using my headset at all. I'm in, I would consider a fairly lit area. And thanks to the window features, I'm able to move the windows around as I need to. I also, well, this is how I started for the whole casting because that's what I'm doing right now. And then, thanks to this window feature, I just have the windows here. I can just move this here as I see fit, decide, oh, I want this to go here. And, I can just change, okay? I just want to put that out there, okay? Because if, okay, and right now you see me installing this game. Well, I'm installing it right now, and I'm going to tell you guys right now that in the future, if you guys want to see me check out more VR games and whatnot, they will most likely be on my other channel and plays. That's where I play all my VR games. But yeah. Oh, and in case you're wondering what I'm doing, Meta has this whole thing now where I'm just pinching. Now, this feature, the pinch feature, debuted actually on the Apple Vision Pro, oddly enough. And now it's on the Meta Quest 3. It's been that way for a little while, don't get me wrong, but I decided to make this video because honestly, it's very cool. Between the windows and everything, now we have stuff a bit more how we want it. Yeah, we have the easy, and let's see, I should in theory be able to reach up and close that. I mean, that's a little buggy still, I will admit, but yeah, and I think I'm going to turn off that feature right now, the whole move feature. Okay, and off. I have a whole video covering how to get that if you want it. And then for a moment, let's go ahead and, full screen this. Full screening stuff is actually pretty cool in this first. Yeah. And, I can grab it, move it around. And yeah, I'll be honest, it's just very awesome that they added these features. And then when I unfull screen everything back the way I wanted it, I can full screen this, and then it's so awesome, honestly. I can put this here. So literally, I'm just looking at the different games. Wait, what is this? I mean, this looks pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty cool from the get-go. I'm not going to look at it right now. Job simulator, save and stuff. It all looks so cool, honestly. But yeah, I'm going to get out of this mode. I just wanted to chat with you guys for a little bit about, what I've been thinking. Now, obviously, this is a little buggy of a feature, and my battery's almost dead for the headset, so now would be a good time for me to go let it charge. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about all these features that we are getting for the Meta Quest 3. And of course, a lot of the features still come to the Meta Quest 2 as well. And of course, the features are also going to be coming or have come or will come to the Meta Quest 3S, which I know some of you guys are probably going to get. Also, if I sound a little bit different, it's because I'm using my wireless microphone. I actually have a whole video covering the wireless microphone as well if you want to check it out. But with that said, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to go charge my headset and I will catch you guys in the future. Feel free to let me know one of your favorite features in the comment section below. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.